Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with LinkedIn Sales Navigator for lead prospecting, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the LinkedIn Sales Navigator homepage. Log in with your LinkedIn credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, look for the Start Free Trial or similar option on the Sales Navigator page. Click on that button to initiate the subscription process. You'll be directed to a pricing plan selection page. Carefully review the available plans and benefits. Choose the plan that best fits your lead prospecting needs. After selecting a plan, click on the Continue button. You'll need to enter your payment information on the next screen. Fill in the required fields, including your billing address and credit card details. Review your order summary to ensure everything is correct. After your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation message. You will then be directed back to the Sales Navigator dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Set up your preferences to optimize lead searches. You can start using advanced search filters right away. Begin by entering your target industries, job titles, and locations. Save your searches to return to them later. Explore the Lead Recommendations feature to discover potential leads suited to your criteria. You can also organize leads using custom lists for better management. Leverage the in-mail feature to reach out to leads directly. Utilize the Notes and Tags functionalities for additional insights. Make use of the insights and analytics provided by Sales Navigator to improve your strategy. Regularly check for updates and new features to maximize your subscription benefits. With these steps, you are fully equipped to leverage LinkedIn Sales Navigator for effective lead prospecting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.